Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Okay, so y'all, I am in a rush, so I can't really sit down and have like a pretty little setup for y'all. But I'm just about to get in the shower and I'm about to wash my hair with this one and only coconut with argan oil coconut shampoo, and then I'm gonna condition with the same thing. It's just the conditioner version. And I'm about to get in the shower and detangle my hair and put my hair in 4 plaits so that it'll make it easier when I start blow drying. So yeah, I'm about to go do that and then I'll be back. But y'all see this? So I'm out the shower and I have my 4 plaits, and I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using this Bio Silk Therapy. This can be very expensive depending on where you get it from, but I like to get mine from Marshall's because that is the cheapest place that they have it. The next one is the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield. I paid $4.50 for this at my local beauty supply store, and so we're just gonna take out one of these. By the way, y'all, I dried my hair with a t-shirt. It's still wet, but it's not wet. And I'm just gonna work with this. So I like to start off with the Thermal Shield Heat Protectant, and I'm just gonna spray this all over this section, making sure my ends, everything is covered. I spray a good amount of time. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush this all throughout to make sure that all the product is coating every strand. Then I'm going to take my Bio Silk. You don't need a lot of this. I'm just going to take like a dime sized amount, and I'm going to put this all over my hands, and I'm just going to put this throughout the hair, making sure that it gets everywhere. And then I'm also going to brush this through for the same reason. So when I'm done with that, I just make sure all the hair is detangled, and I pull the hair out like this, and then I'm just gonna go like this until the hair is kind of dry. I use the tension method because it's less heat, and I just feel like I like this better anyway. You don't have to keep doing this with the brush, so I like this method better and it's easier. So I'm gonna put this on hot and high. Do the same exact thing. Okay, so yeah, it's about 80%, and now I'm just gonna start using the brush. So this section is all finished, and I'm just gonna twist this up, and then I'm gonna start on the next back section. Just gonna do the same exact process with this section. Okay, so guys, I am all done. So I'm just gonna take out the twist so that you guys can see the result. This actually did not even take me long. It says 38 minutes, so about 40 minutes it took me to do this. As you guys can see, my hair is blown out and I will not have any heat damage, guys. I've done this process probably like 4 or 5 times, so yeah, and I've never had heat damage from it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also hit that subscribe button because my cash baby's lit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.